Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing Course Review. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone. Before taking Michelle Schroeder-Gardner's course, Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing, I had some experience of affiliate marketing. I'd set up some relationships with affiliate marketing companies so that I was able to represent a number of products. I had placed links on my website and main website and subsidiary website. So I was already doing some affiliate marketing before I took the course. And I wanted to find out if there's anything else that I could find in terms of methodology that I could learn from Michelle's course. Michelle is extremely accomplished in affiliate marketing. She runs a financial blog, a personal finance blog, Making Sense of Sense, and then this course, Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing, is a spin-off from that. She earned money from blogging, and I'm just going to run down this introduction for you. She's earned money from blogging and also from affiliate marketing. So when she started her blog, I think it's 2011, and I will leave a link to the course and you can read the introduction and some more about it. When she started blogging, she didn't really have much of a business plan. She just wanted to leave it as a reference point for the learnings that she was experiencing as she went on her journey of building up a blog and building up the income on that blog. And then she started to learn a lot about blogging and blogging income, but also about affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing income. And it's much later that she decided to create this course. And here's, so I think, so affiliate, I'll just read from the introduction. Affiliate income is my most favorite way of earning a living online. Just a year ago, I was barely earning anything on affiliate income, but now I'm earning around 50,000 a month from it. So she's in a very good position to create a course about affiliate marketing. She's actually delivering results for herself, and it's a journey that she's been on. So the course is available from, I think it's $197 is the price of the course. There are some promotional periods. If I remember correctly, I was able to buy the course for $150. I think there's a promotion at the time. So Michelle is a very good authority in terms of affiliate marketing and is credible because of obviously the results that she delivered for her own business. And she's now a millionaire from her blog and from affiliate marketing. So she's somebody that we can genuinely learn from. Even someone like myself who would describe, I suppose you describe me as an affiliate marketing, at least intermediate level, because I have some experience, I have some existing relationships that I'm using, and I have delivered income from affiliate marketing. The challenge for me was to deliver increased levels of affiliate income and income from affiliate marketing on a consistent basis. Okay, so let's start with an overview of the course. There are so this is just some income statements from Michelle. There are I don't want to give away all of all of the course material because that wouldn't be fair. There are 6 modules. What is affiliate marketing? So if you have some experience of affiliate marketing, you can go through that section very quickly, as I was able to do. I went through each section, and I think I'm going to come on to how you should study a course, or how you should study any course really, a bit later on in this video. The next module is how to find and apply to affiliate programs. Follow the rules is module 3. Module 4, how to get your readers to convert. Module 5, strategies and ways to promote affiliate links. Module 6, rinse and repeat. It's 90% or 95% written modules. There are only a couple of videos, which is fine. I think on some courses, I'm not going to name any names, there's lots of videos, but some of the videos are a bit light on content in terms of new learning points, new objectives and goals in those videos. Sometimes you get lots of video at the expense of meaningful insights. So this is a well-written, well-structured course, and there's lots of helpful information all the way through the course. I'm just going to click on this section here, workbook. So there is a workbook that is part of the course, and I found that very useful, and it gives you a focus before you even start making sense of affiliate marketing workbook. And in that there are sections on your goals for the course, what your objectives are, whether that's in terms of the amount of time you're going to spend, and also some income objectives, and just giving you a focus on really what your objectives are before you start the course. And the idea is to print that off and have a reminder, a very sort of physical reminder of your enthusiasm going into the course, what you're trying to achieve from the course, and to make you accountable for your objectives, and then accountable for delivering all the actions that you're supposed to take through the course. So I worked through the course. I'm recording this video now in June 2019. I studied the course in the end of May 2018. And how should you study a course like this? The best way to study a course like this is to go through the modules, go through all of the sections, and as there are relevant action points, implement them straight away. So you open your website backend, and you open your if you've got a social media scheduling tool, and you need to make changes to that, do it as you're going through the modules. I'm not one of these people that takes the approach you go through the whole course and then you go back and do the actions. I like to embed the knowledge and the learning straight away. So I go through the course and take the actions immediately. And that way you can start to see the benefits from taking those actions. As I said in the intro, I have some experience of affiliate marketing, but I still found lots of helpful information. And I'd say best practice for affiliate marketing in this course. And I found it to be very valuable because it's helping you set up streams of income. Once you've set up the links and you have good levels of traffic, the income will start to rise and the income will come in because you're being structured. I think sometimes people think that you can just place a few links here and there, tweet them and so on, and that's it. You need to be far more structured and consistent in your approach to affiliate marketing. I read a very interesting article, and I will link to that in the description below. It says affiliate marketing, you've got to allow 12 months for it to work. That's not to say that you won't get any commissions before 12 months. You can get commissions within a few days based on links and based on people buying from your affiliate partners. But really you should allow 12 months for a consistent level of income from affiliate marketing. And if you have that in mind, you won't be disappointed if you're not earning thousands and thousands per month straight away. Let's have a look at the course. Just going to spotlight this because I mentioned traffic a couple of moments ago. This is from module 2, the amount of traffic you need, and Michelle very rightly points out that it's better to have 1,000 loyal readers and 10,000 who don't care. So there's lots of very interesting bits of information and actions that you can take from the course. I'm going to go back now. I don't really want to give away all of the content of the course, of course not, and leave you with some of my thoughts and the results. When I took the course a year ago, I was very enthused by it. I went through all of the modules very quickly in the space of a few days, and I thought it was very well structured. Even for me with intermediate level of affiliate marketing, I felt it very useful. There's some good points in there and I was able to action those. It gave you more of a structured approach to affiliate marketing, reminded you of all the best practice in terms of applying to affiliate programs and then monitoring them, and it's something I was doing already and I continue to do that. So I think it was a very good course. Was it value for money? Yes. $197 is value for money, without doubt, value for money. Would I recommend making sense of affiliate marketing course? Would I recommend it? Yes, I would, because I think that you will learn bits and pieces about your approach to affiliate marketing that will increase its effectiveness for you, and for that reason you definitely should go ahead and buy the course. Also, I think that once you've set up all of the affiliate links and the relationships and the communications points that you need to make, you will start to see that the income coming from affiliate marketing is growing. Now it will be slow growth perhaps, depending on your levels of traffic, but it will be growing, and that will be because you're now taking a consistent approach. That's very much been my experience. I was having sporadic income, and that was my experience. But then after taking the course and implementing the steps, the income levels have started to rise and be more consistent. And I hope that will be the same experience for you. I hope this review has been useful to you. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've liked this video, smash the like button, click on my face to subscribe, and click on one of the two screenshots to watch another video. Thanks. Until the next time, bye bye.